Hello everyone. In this lecture we will learn about application software, system software, and types of operating systems from 2081 TU BSc CSIT first semester question paper, Qno.2. Application software. Application software is designed to perform specific tasks for users. It directly interacts with users to meet their needs. Examples: MS Word, web browsers, and games. In short, it makes the computer useful for us. Why do we need system software? System software works at a basic level with computer hardware. It controls and manages hardware, acts as an interface between user and hardware, provides a platform to run application software. Without system software, applications cannot work. Operating system. An operating system OS is the most important system software. It manages hardware, software, and gives a platform to run programs. Types of operating system. Batch OS executes jobs in batches. Real-time OS responds immediately to input. Multi-threading OS runs multiple threads of one program at the same time. Multitasking OS runs many programs at once using one CPU. Multiprocessing OS uses multiple CPUs to run programs simultaneously.